Hi, my name is Joseph Wood, and I am doing my video submission for the Disposition to Teach self-assessment survey. The first question is, what dispositions do you possess that you think will make you a successful teacher? I have been working in schools since I was about 20 years old. I've been in 3 different school districts dealing with students with behavioral issues. I started out in a school district in a school that serviced a juvenile detention facility. I worked there for around 3 years, and then I worked as a behavior specialist in a post-secondary ASD classroom. And currently, I am a behavior intervention specialist at an at-risk school in Metro Detroit. Outside of the classroom, I worked in juvenile justice. I ran a program that housed 14 to 17-year-old boys in a pseudo boot camp type environment. It was a residential therapeutic treatment program. So I think those experiences have helped make me more patient. It's going to help my classroom management skills as far as dealing with acting out behaviors and just those sorts of things. It also has helped me develop an ability to connect with parents, community, things like that. The second question is, what dispositions do you need to work on before you enter the classroom as a first-year teacher? I think one of the biggest things is I have to make sure that I am continually learning. I just got my bachelor's degree back in 2014, but it was in psychology, so this is a new field, so I need to make sure that I'm constantly a student, constantly learning, constantly bettering myself. So I think that is one of the things I need to work on. And then, what does a professional educator look like and how do they behave? What standards guide their thinking and actions? I think the biggest thing is understanding that all students have the ability to learn. All students are equal and they must be treated as such. So I think that's important. I think an educator is expected to act the way they want, role model, I guess, act the way they want their students to act, exhibit integrity, honesty, things like that. And then I think what standards guide their thinking and actions, I think always in the back of their mind that we're an advocate for our students and that we make sure that we're doing this for the best interest of them. So I think that's what guides their thinking and actions, and making sure that we understand, again, that all students have the ability to learn, and that's what we're there for.